Student. Today our physics class, our topic is friction. First, what is friction? This is the surface, this is the object. Now we give some force on the object, but the object does not move. That is friction, because this object and surface does have the relative motion. That friction is opposed the relative motion, that is friction. The object and surface that have the relation motion, and the friction give the opposite force, that object and surface. This friction are two types. One is static friction, another one is kinetic friction. Static friction means when we give the force on the object, that is does not move, that is static friction. The object is move when we give the force on the friction area, that is kinetic friction. Static friction means the object does not move on the friction area. Kinetic friction means the object move on the friction area, that is kinetic friction. So formula for static friction, this is the formula for kinetic friction. The static friction formula value is the value attained from 0 to maximum value. The maximum value is mu s ns. Mu means constant, n means normal force. Here Fk equal mu k n. Mu k is the constant value and n is the normal force. When there is no force on the object, that time the static friction value is 0. Suppose the force is equal to the external force, that is static friction values external force. Suppose we give the maximum force on the object at the time the object is moved forward, that is maximum force, that is mu s ns, and Fk equal mu k n, that is the only one value. We give the force on the object, that time the object move in forward direction, that is kinetic friction, that have only one value. But static friction that have the value from 0 to maximum, and always mu s greater than of mu k. Mu s value is always greater than of mu k. This is the graph for statics and kinetic friction. Now we take the force of external force in x-axis and statics maximum value in y-axis. These two start from one initial point to maximum point. After that the maximum value is steady value. This is the kinetic friction, this is the static friction value. You know that this is the kinetic friction values and static friction values start from one point, but the static friction value is greater than of kinetic friction value. This is the salient features of static and kinetic friction, not the difference. These are some features of static and kinetic friction. Static friction, it opposes the starting of motion, because it has some initial value and maximum value. So it opposes the friction and it opposes the relative motion of object with respect to the surface. And this have only one value. When we give the force at the time that object is moved, so it opposes the relative motion and independent of surface of area of contact. This is also independent of surface of area of contact. And mu s, that is static friction. Mu s depends on the nature of materials in the mutual contact, and it also depends on the nature of material and also temperature of the surface. It depends upon the object. The material may be plastic or wood, and depends on the magnitude of applied force. and it is the independent of magnitude or applied force. Magnitude means that have the value. It defines the value and it does not define the magnitude of applied force. And static friction value from 0 to mu is n, and is the kinetic friction value is always greater than of 0. It is never be 0. The coefficient of kinetic friction is less than of coefficient of static friction.